Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is would. Here is a picture of a man who would swim if he could. Here is would in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Would means indicating the consequence of an imagined event or situation. Would. Past progressive, none. Past would. Present progressive, none. Present, would. And future, will. Let's build a sentence. He would. Today, we will use the past tense. Let's build a sentence. He would, What? What would he do? He would be fired. Uh-oh. Would is a verb that is very often used in the English language. Would is the past tense form of will. Because it is a past tense, it is used to talk about the past, to talk about hypothesis or a condition, things that are imagined rather than true or possible. For politeness, to say what we believed would happen. Example, I thought I would be late, so I would have to take the train. Let's build a sentence. He would be fired. Why? Why would he be fired? He would be fired if he was late. Let's build a sentence. He would be fired if he was late. Where? Where would he be late? To work. Uh-oh. Let's build a sentence. He would be fired if he was late to work. How? How would he be late? If he was late to work again. Ooh, he has a problem. Let's build a sentence. He would be fired if he was late to work again. Why? Why would he be fired? After the boss's warning. Ooh, so he's been doing it a lot. See how we built a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.